The best gaming mice can give you an edge when you venture online to pit your skills against other gamers. Along with a great keyboard and monitor, it can help to boost both your single-player and competitive performance. The best gaming mouse should be a comfortable, capable companion that feels like an extension of your arm. Addressable RGB is now common, and software lets you remap the thumb buttons or fine-tune performance to the games you're playing. The best gaming mice have high DPI sensors and an array of extra controls and side buttons without foregoing an ergonomic design. Number 1. Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro. Comfort and grip are supreme with this full-featured, right-handed, wireless gaming mouse which packs in an impressive amount for the money. It's quite large and weighty, so it's best suited to larger hands. There's a textured surface for enhanced grip on your palm and a textured thumb rest on the left. You can remove the right side panel to reveal a slot for the USB receiver and switch in a textured pinky rest to keep your hand completely off the desktop. It's incredibly comfortable to use for long periods. Connectivity is seamless thanks to Corsair's proprietary slipstream technology, which can switch channels on the 2.4 GHz frequency automatically. There's also Bluetooth connectivity as a backup. This mouse handles frenetic in-game action with aplomb, boasting a sensor that goes up to 18,000 dpi with a 2000 Hz polling rate. There are 8 programmable buttons you can remap or customize with shortcuts and macros. You'll also find 9 RGB lighting zones. Everything is configured via Corsair's IQ software, which can take time to master but proves to be very versatile indeed, offering deep customizability. Number 2. SteelSeries Rival 3. Not everyone is willing to pay big bucks for a gaming mouse, and the SteelSeries Rival 3 proves you don't have to. It's a small, lightweight wired mouse for right-handers that's perfect for a comfortable claw or fingertip grip. At just 77 grams, with a thin 6-foot cable, it's very easy to maneuver, and the build quality is solid. You'll find 6 buttons here and 3 RGB lighting zones. Everything can be configured via the SteelSeries Engine 3 software. The sensor in the Rival 3 tops out at a respectable 8,500 dpi and the polling rate goes up to 1000 Hz. While it's a tad small, there were no issues with accuracy. The main attraction is the relatively low price. That's a bargain for this kind of performance, and while it lacks the bells and whistles of many of the other options here, we don't think you'll find anything better without spending a good bit more money. The SteelSeries Rival 3 is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. Number 3. Logitech G502X Lightspeed. Logitech's original G502 and G502 Lightspeed were some of the most capable gaming mice around. With a new generation of gamers looking for more advanced features, Logitech stepped it up with the G502X Lightspeed. It features a compact, lightweight design that hugs the curvature of your hand. This wireless mouse weighs in at a solid 99.7 grams and comes packed with a durable 6-foot cable to ensure you can recharge the built-in battery after a respectable 140 hours. That long battery life stems from Logitech's revamped Lightspeed wireless technology and improved Lightforce hybrid optical mechanical switches. The company claims a 68% faster response rate when compared to the original G502 Lightspeed. This tech also helps enhance the life expectancy of the mouse by reducing mechanical wear. It uses a 25,600 dpi optical sensor for minimal lag, little to no stuttering, and effortless tracking in games. The mouse also works across both Windows and Mac platforms thanks to Logitech's G-Hub software. Number 4. Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. The Razer Basilisk Ultimate is no longer Razer's top-of-the-line gaming mouse, nor its most expensive. That honor goes to the Basilisk V3 Pro, an evolution of the Basilisk line that packs the latest internals into the same familiar form factor, but you'll pay for the privilege. $160 to be exact, or $200 if you opt for the almost necessary Mouse Dock Pro, which combines a 4000 Hz polling receiver with a wireless Qi charger. Razer's Basilisk V3 Pro keeps an identical look to the wired Basilisk V3 but bumps the sensor up from 26,000 dpi to 30,000, upgrades the optical switches to Gen 3, 90 million versus 70 million clicks, and introduces 2.4 GHz hyper-speed wireless and Bluetooth connectivity. It has 11 reprogrammable buttons, 13 individually programmable lighting zones, and the best scroll wheel we've ever tested. It can switch between tactile or free spinning at the touch of a button, and you can enable Smart Reel and Razer Synapse to combine the best of both modes. Number 5. Corsair Ironclaw RGB. With a sharp, angular style, 3 RGB lighting zones, and 10 programmable buttons, the Corsair Ironclaw RGB is a versatile gaming mouse. It boasts an attractive design and excellent build quality. It's big and tall with a pronounced peak and textured grip on the sides. It will suit palm grips best, though fingertip or claw grips are possible for those with larger hands. At 130 grams, it is quite heavy, so it might not suit FPS fanatics. It's also for right-handed players only. The Corsair Ironclaw RGB is a wireless mouse and can connect using Corsair's 2.4 GHz slipstream technology, which jumps channels automatically to keep you seamlessly connected. It feels very responsive and we didn't encounter any lag. There's also Bluetooth support and you also have the option of plugging in via the charging cable for a wired connection.